Hello Excel experts, welcome to Dinesh Sharma 10x, and in today's video we are going to learn 10 different ways of writing serial numbers in Microsoft Excel. Yes, the simple task of writing serial numbers can have 10 different methods and very innovative methods. Also, I'm sure that you would be already using one of those methods, but this is going to be fun knowing all other methods as well. So let us start and we jump into the method 1. Method 1 is the good old way of writing one by one all the serial numbers. I'll show you here. So I write 1, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter, 4, enter, 5, enter. I can go on and on if it is really a long data file. Let's jump to method number 2. Method number 2 is I write the first number here, then I write a formula which is equals to the previous number plus 1. And when I copy this formula down, it will increase the numbers by 1 every time it goes one step down. This was method number 2. Method number 3. Method number 3 is simply I write 1. I take my cursor here on the placeholder right bottom corner of this cell, press Ctrl and I drag down, and it will enter all the serial numbers. Is it really interesting? Then let's move to method number 4. Method number 4. I will simply write 1, then I will write 2, and I will select both of these, and I'll take my cursor here on the placeholder, the right bottom corner. You can see this little square here, so I'll put it here and double click, and it will copy all the serial numbers till end of the file automatically. This was method number 5. Let's move to the next method. Method number 5. Method number 5 is I will simply write 1 here, and then I will copy it down till the end, and at the end you will find this small little icon. Just click on this and go to fill series, and it will fill the serial numbers for you. This was method number 5. Method number 6. In this method we first write the initial number, and then we select the complete column, and then we go to this button in the home tab under editing section, this fill icon. Click on the drop down and then go to series. In the series we select column, linear, and then step 1. Step value is 1, stop value is 25, and okay, it will fill all the serial numbers. Method number 7. For method number 7 I'm going to use a formula equals to, the formula is sequence. So we write sequence, then tab, and the rows. How many rows you want? I want 25 rows. And how many columns you want? 1 column. When you want to start at 1. What is the step? Step is 1. Close, and here you go. This is method number 7. Let's move to method number 8. Method number 8, I'm going to use another formula inside sequence so that it determines how many rows I want. So sequence, and inside row, inside this sequence formula, the first argument is number of rows. So I want the number of rows as many as the data in my adjacent column. So I will write here another formula to count that. So it is count A, and then I give a reference from this point to this point, and I close the parenthesis and enter, and here you go, it will enter all the serial numbers. Method number 9. Method number 9 is equals to, again the same formula but in a very different innovative way. sequence, and for the rows I write count A, and this time need not to select these items. I simply select the whole column and then cross and close the parenthesis and enter, and you will see that it has stopped here at 26 because it has also counted the first item. So that is why what we will do is, in our formula we will simply remove one of this entry, so -1, and that's it. Now next time, the beauty of this is if you enter any other item here, let's say Sri Lanka, it will automatically assign the serial number. And here comes the ultimate pro tip of writing the serial number in multiple sheets all together in one shot. So what I'll do is I will enter the serial number in all these sheets. For that I will select all these sheets, and now I'm in sheet 10 right now instead of column A, because I have already entered the serial numbers in column A in all other sheets. So I will show you in column D. I will write the serial numbers here for this method 10 sheet, and you will see the magic. So I write sequence. Again, I'm going to use this formula because I really like the way this works. So count A and then select the full column, close the parenthesis, -1, and hit enter, and now you can see it has given all the serial numbers. And now we remove the selection, and you can see that it has added the serial number in column D in all the sheets. So this is how the advanced users will save time entering the data in multiple sheets in one shot. I hope you really like these methods. Comment below and tell me which method you are using currently and which one you like the most. Until then, have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.